In this video, I will show you how to get voice chat on Roblox. First of all, open the Roblox application. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the More option at the left hand side. Next, select the Settings option. After that, you will see the Account Info option. Click on it. On this screen, you will see all of your account's information. To get a voice chat on Roblox, you must be 13 plus. As you can see mine at the top, it's written 13 plus. It means that the age on my account is above 13. If you are not, then you cannot get the voice chat option. Next, you have two options to get the voice chat. You can use either of them. The first option is to add and verify your phone number. To do this, simply click on the option Add Phone available right in front of the option Phone Number and proceed with the instructions. Or if you don't have the phone number, you can go for the other option, that is to verify your age. I will tell you both the methods one by one. First, to add the phone number, click on the Add Phone option. A pop-up will appear. First, select your country's phone code, then enter your phone number here and click on Continue. A few instructions will appear which you need to follow, like an OTP will be sent to you. You have to enter it here, and there can also be a code sent to your added phone number which you need to provide here. After following these simple instructions, your phone number will be added to your Roblox account. Now you can go and enjoy your voice chat. But if you don't want to go through this method, then click on the Verify My Age option. Verifying the age also unlocks additional experiences. To verify the age, first you need to prepare a valid ID. Once you have that, now you need to open your mobile device. Either open your camera or any QR scanner and scan this QR code. After the code is scanned, you will see an option of Begin Verifying. Tap on it. Next, select the country from the drop down from where your ID is. Then tap on the select button. Next, select what type of your ID is. Like if you select the driver license option, you need to take its front and back photo and submit it here by tapping on the use this photo option, and also allow its access to your camera if it asks. It will then process your ID. Next, you need to take a live photo of yourself. Tap on Get Started and click your photo. Once you submit it, the process will complete. Now, if you go to your account and check, the voice chat will be enabled. And this is how you can get voice chat on Roblox.